I've decided today to have a close look at putting on an outfeed table. As you see, I've got two runners going out there to hold the actual table. I've actually got a bit of plywood that will actually just sit on it. But my issue is, one side I'll be able to get to work. So on this runner here, they're not exactly where I want them, but it's close enough to give me an indication of what's going to happen, and nothing interferes with it. The issue comes when I come to the other side. So on the other side, got the runner going out, but when I put the table saw at 45 degrees, I've got to have clearance at the back so that the motor can stick to 45. However, I now don't really have anywhere to attach the runner. Let's go and make something. Bracket of some description through this. Possibly up the front here. Do the same. But I don't know actually how strong that would be. And it's only just giving me enough room. The runner's not going to be that long, by the way. The outfeed's not going to be that long. They're just some bits of wood I found that will hopefully work. This is one of the reasons why I haven't done this. I knew all the issues beforehand. And those that follow my channel know that down there is just dirt floor. Can't really put any wood, so I can't really just build a standard outfeed table. I've actually got to somehow attach it to the actual table. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do here. I don't even think I've got any brackets, but we're going to have a look. Bench connector, pipe, odds and ends. What's an odds and ends? No, brackets. Brackets. Got some form of, I don't even know what they are off. I've looked at all these different types of brackets that I can find. L bracket, again, is possible to make it work. I could possibly make this one work. You saw me with this one, having that one there like that. Then I came across two of these. And my idea was at first hang it like that, which is probably about right once I get it even though there's a little bit of movement there. Then I thought, okay, I have to drill into here. And my 90-degree angle drill no fitty fit. So now I'm back to square one. This is why I've been thinking on this for the last 10 years. I even thought about having a hanger. Well, it all comes down to the one problem of drilling and then getting it to fit. Yes, so I've kind of don't know just yet. I'm back to square one. Yeah. If you're wondering what all these are for, is when we built the back deck. These are just the spare leftover. Oh, we've got a couple of. Where are they? Ooh, okay, hang on. Might. I didn't want to buy anything for this project. I could actually hang them off. There's enough room there to hang them off that bolt and this bolt. I'm assuming they are aligned. Why is there none there? Oh. That's part of the fence. You're now seeing my thought process. You are kidding me. Why is that a different size? longish bolts. I've got a spring washer, and it's going to have a normal washer. And the spring washer is to help it with any vibration. They're only just long enough, but once I tighten it, it'll be fine. We'll have more than the nut that's on there, which is I'm the nutcase. And I have a penny washer on the bottom of them. Oh, that's heaps. That's heaps. Oh, okay, awkward. That's heaps. Possibly cut that to a shape to make it kind of come up a little bit closer. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how we go. So I've thought about it, and I don't really have to have it here. I can have it here, hanging off another two of the same brackets. So that's what I've actually decided I'm going to do. Just proof that the table saw's unplugged. Enough room, can't get my hands in there. Oh, brain, that's why. One is just the coach bolt. I don't have enough. I'm hoping I can still get it to go tight enough. So my first issue is the handle just kind of catches that beam or the runner. So I was originally going to use one of these bits of plywood, but I've actually found a painted bit of MDF, which means it's nice and smooth and it's bigger. Well, I think I only needed 120, but I'm going 130 to just to make sure. The idea of it is once I've got this on and then on top of the actual tabletop is just sitting at the same height as my mitre slots. Just wing that one. One thing I didn't check, didn't think so.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.